This procedure examines the capacity of an alcohol-associated context to trigger the renewal of Pavlovian alcohol-seeking behavior. This is accomplished by first habituating ethanol-experienced rats to conditioning chambers that have been configured into two unique contexts. The second step of the procedure is to conduct Pavlovian discrimination training sessions in one context, where two different auditory cues signal either alcohol availability or the lack thereof. The third step is to conduct extinction training in the second context, where both auditory cues are presented without alcohol. The final step is to return the rats to the original training context and present both auditory cues without alcohol. This manipulation causes a renewal of alcohol-seeking behavior triggered by the auditory cue that was previously associated with alcohol.
The main advantage of this technique over existing procedures like instrumental conditioning is that it provides an animal model of alcohol-seeking behavior elicited by Pavlovian cues that predict alcohol.
This method can help answer key questions in the addiction field, such as, do contexts associated with alcohol provoke relapse?
Before training, habituate the rats to the testing room and the two environmental contexts that they will experience. Always transport the rats from the animal care facility to the testing room in a consistent manner. In the first session, leave the rats in the